Hi, I'm Benedetta from local Aromas in Italy, and today, with my sister Valeria, we're going to teach you how to make a classic, bruschetta.
Before we start to make bruschetta, you need to learn how to pronounce it. It is not bruschetta, it's bruschetta.
Bruschetta. Very simple.
Very simple, not bruschetta.
Okay, I think now we can teach
Okay, now we can start.
So we are taking the classic bruschetta recipe from our wonderful Italian cookbook, and we're going to teach you to make two. The classic version and with tomatoes.
First thing, let's start with the tomatoes. You need to get nice, juicy red tomatoes. You dice them, you put them in a bowl, you add extra virgin olive oil, basil, and salt, and just let it rest so all the juices come out.
A little tip, when you chop up the tomato, make it small, because bruschetta, you're eating it with your hands, and when you bite it, you don't want the tomatoes falling all over the place. So small little pieces is best.
The bread, you need rustic bread. You cut it in slices about
yes, because
this thickness.
Because when you then slice it, and we're going to put it then on the grill inside the oven at high temperature, you want to brown it. Not to burn it, but it has to have a soft heart.
It has to have a soft heart. Crunchy, but soft.
Delicious.
When they're ready, to make the classic bruschetta, you need garlic. You rub the garlic on the bread. You put a little bit of extra virgin oil, a sprinkle of salt, and there you go.
For the classic version, same. If you like garlic, rub the garlic because it's always good. And then you take a big spoonful of the tomato that you have prepared and left to sit down, and you put it on the bread, and that's it.
Bruschetta is like a perfect appetizer, which you would have with what?
She asks as if she didn't know.
I know the answer.
Wine, with a glass of wine.